Got it. So we have completed a registration page. Okay, somewhere errors. Right, got error. Duplicate, huh? So one place only it is showing. Okay, so anyway, just we can refresh our project. November, right? Just refresh. Or if you get errors, what we need to do, we have to register account header. Where is the other one? It's not there. So there is a problem. That's why you have to right click on the project. So Maven update project. So such cases, this will clear your errors. If you do that, it will clear. See, that's gone. So it's basically a Maven update will compile the entire project. So all the errors will be resolved. So if you get any errors, there is no issue, and you can do a Maven update. So that will be cleared. That's one thing, whenever you get errors, first do that Maven update. Let me go to a build path and I'll change the Java. So this Java version. Take the JDK 11. And yeah. So registration page is done. And we need to create a results page, right? This one. This is the one pending. So let's go and create this results page. So all the elements. So understand first results page. Go to login. Log into that. Okay, so now you need to perform a search here, right? That's so search iMac. See, now you got this is the results page. This is the results page. If you click on particular item, it will go to details page, product details page. Product details page is different, and search results page is different. This is the search results. From my account, it turned to search results page. Search results page. Search results page, you have to count. Okay. Now, so what are the elements you need to identify here? So that's the main thing you need to always check. Search results page. I think only this heading and this product. So that's it. You don't need any other things here. Then because results page, we need to click on this. If you click on that, it will go to product details page. So that details page, you have to identify them also. So here you have to identify these elements, like this product and this metadata you need to get, this dollar value and this tax values. And then if you want quantity also, add to cart buttons. So those things also we need to identify basically. Okay. Yeah, let's go to here search header. This is the search header. So identify the search header. That's the first element. So again, content H1. So that's a common thing. You can take it, write that. So at the rate find by CSS equal to hash content greater than H1. So you write private web element. So element name you can give search header. And this is the search header. Okay. So find by annotation you import, web element also import it. Web element also import it. Now, so you need to find out all the this. So for example, if you just give like this, okay. See how many you got? 4, right? This entire list you need to get it. So entire list you need to get a search product list. So each card you identify, and first card if you identify, automatically you will get the remaining cards, right? So you can see this from here onwards you can start. If you identify this, and you can so till A, and automatically it will give all these products. Similar structure will be there. See, you can see similar structure. So I can use CSS only. Let me write CSS. But this one is dynamically changes. We don't want this. I can take only till here. So if you want to shortcut in CSS, what we need to use? You remember? Or the CSS no contains things.
Starts with.
Yeah, starts with or no. You have a contains also, right? Contains. So contains also you can use like no star. So we'll use that star. Okay. So this is a div. Let's give this div. And first let me copy from here. So div square bracket class star the class value. So this one. Then you can yeah, if you give that also, it's not visible for you, right? Bottom side. See how many it is giving?
4.
Is it with 4? So this is also fine. So the product list we want, that product list you can get it. So that also you can take it out. So write one more product list. So I can just put okay. Element. So product list. Search product list. So, but we have to write a list, right? If you want list, we have to write a list. List web element. That list. So list you can import java.util package. So then we want to identify this. Again, you have to go back to my account. So you can click on this my account. So that my account menu text you can identify. That also you can write one more. So any other two elements are there, we'll identify them also. Here I need to identify this one. So I can just write my account, this one. I can write normalize space, I'll write, okay? Normalize space, let me use XPath, we'll use XPath. So forward slash span square bracket normalize hyphen space, right? Normalize hyphen space. Okay, so this one is a chat. C equal to my account. That's it. So my account menu. This is a my account menu. So in the my account menu, so there is a my account text. This my account option we want. So that also we need to identify my account option. If you want, you can start from here. ULLIA. So we can start that. So let's start my account option. Similar XPath we'll take. So we don't want web element. This just a list we don't want, just a web element. So my account option. So my account option. What do we need to write a XPath? Let's go and write the XPath. So double forward slash UL. So just now we have seen this UL class @ class equal to class value, then slash li/a, right? li/a. Otherwise, you can just put a and normalize space. Space equal to my account. My account, right? So this is how you can prepare that also. Now we need to write all the methods. So what are the methods we need to develop? So maybe you can get the page title. You can so the number of products in that list you can get, this list count you can get, and you can so select one of the product from there, right? And you can navigate to, so again back to my account page once you select any product. So let's create first method. We can get the search results page title, public string get search results is title. Return wait for title contains, right? Wait for title contains is there. You remember? Yeah. right, for title contents. And you can just give, so whichever the product name is coming, that product name also. Yeah, I can take one here, string product name. Okay, so based on this I can search. So here I can give this, basically it is coming based on the product name. You can get that. Next one, you can get the size of this this one. So let's get the size of that. Public int get search product list size. So return this list dot size method. Okay, so next you need to select one of the product, right, in this list. So in this list, one of them you need to select. So, and you will give the product name, which product you want to select. So that you can give that. So I can write next public. So this method, you need to give a parameter. So the parameter is which product you want to select product. So for that, string product name, you have to give which product you want to select. So just log dot. I want to use one more logger, that is debug, right? So let's use debug message. Till now we used info only, right? You can use a debug also. So to mention your messages. So selecting the product, just give a product name. That product name you are selecting. So then click. So click is, so you can click the element. So the element can be a product name, right? It's a link. You can see here. These are the links. So we have a method, click method with locator. So get element, and you can give by dot link text. So the product name, so that it will go and click on that link. So just add throws declaration. Just wait some time. I'm going to write. Maybe I can call small wait time. We have a time utils, right? So you can call time utils. Instead of thread.sleep, I'm calling time utils. Maybe medium timeout. So I can call medium timeout. Variable declaration syntax to complete. So what is this? I can call the method otherwise. Yeah, we have a method, medium wait method. That's it. So it's going to be abstracted, and you don't need any no thread.sleep directly. So basically you're abstracting. That's it. So then navigate back to my account page. So next method. So now these two elements I need to use. Those two element methods I'm writing. Public. So void navigate to my account page. So you need to navigate to my account page. That's very important. So next, log dot info or debug, whatever you want, you can use. Click on my account menu. click on my account menu. So use click method. Click my account menu. Right? First you have to click my account menu. Then wait for the visibility, right? Wait for element visibility. So all this, click after some menus are there. Always after click, you wait for the next element, which element you are looking for. Wait for element visibility. So we have, see here, wait for element visible. So you have to write by dot XPath. So that XPath you can put that. So already we have written here, but this one you can use. By dot XPath we can use here. So by dot XPath. So to use the XPath here. So add throws declaration. And then, so click the main element, next to last element. So click, you have to click on this one. So that's it. So I want to wait some more time. I can call this method again. Because it will navigate. So always navigation time, you need to wait some more time. Okay. So that's the about the results page is done. So now the last page left for us is product details page. This is another very important page where you're going to have mainly basically this page has a lot of getting the text to, so those things are there. So for example, if you click on this, can you see this? This entire metadata, you need to get it. So can you see this? This one is key and value. Key and value. You need to, but you will get it as a string only. Then you have to, split this based on this, and then you need to store that. So the kind of some refinement is there. That refinement, we'll see that. So how to do that refinement and all those, so important. So how can we do the refinements? Let's understand that. So refinement is very important because a lot of Java concepts are coming here, right? So those Java concepts you need to understand. So let's go on, and I'll just take the code from here and we can explain that. Let me take from August. Last page we'll finish and we'll start the test cases also. Just take it, okay? Then let's take it. Okay. I'll explain one by one element. Okay, don't worry about that. Okay. So again, similar, okay, product details page, you take the logger. Why we are using this private is that page related logs you will get. So that's a private, and I'm mentioning the class name. So this page related logs you will get it here. And then @find by, see that product header. So this is the product header. See, again, you have a BTN group H1. So div dot BTN group H1, right? So, but we are using multiple you are writing. From here you are starting. From here you are coming down all the way. So it's up to you how you want to come. This div inside, two divs are there, two divs inside this div, then H1 is there. So that's what here. Div ID content, this one, then this div, So that's a div 1. So only one div, then div 2. So that's a div 2. And I just written a double forward slash. Understand here. So if you don't want to write this div, I want to skip that. Directly from this div 2, then I want to jump to H1. I need to use a double forward slash. Okay. So that you want to skip anything, you put a double forward slash instead of single forward slash. Remember, single forward slash represent the immediate node. Okay, immediate node, immediate tag. So that's why you have to be very careful when to use single, when to use double forward slash. That's a product header. Next. So product image list. Can you see this? These are all the image list. A.img. So A dot thumbnail. So it represents the one image. So if you write like that, each image is going to have Control F. And if I write A dot thumbnail, so A dot class value, right? I'm writing a CSS basically. See that? You got 5. So how many total you got? 5 thumbnails are there. So this one, see one by one you go. This one, second, third, fourth, fifth, and first one top. Okay. So those image list, you need to get it for every product. That's common. So that's why common thing I'm taking. That's why I'm getting a list of web element product image list. Next, please understand these two are very important. So we are writing a product metadata list. Can you see this? This is the product metadata list. So understand here. So you can see, so this UL. So this UL represents that entire product metadata. That entire product metadata. So div ID content, we are starting from the top. Again, where is this one? And div 2. After, so I'm starting a UL tag, class list unstyled. So this one unstyled. So LI. So LI, you're positioning because one more UL is here. So this one, this is the position 1. This UL is the position 1. This UL is the position 2. So that's what a position 1, then LI we are putting. So that means this UL position we are specifying, the position method you are using here. Then here position method, sir, why can't you use square bracket inside index 1? You can put that also. But I just want to show the position function. I just used this. You can use an index of like this, right? Directly you can write like this. This is also correct, right? You can put 2 also. That is also correct. Okay. So anything is fine. We are just indexing this UL. Just indexing this UL. And this you will get a product price list. That means this you will get. So this one. So that means these two you will get. Product price list. So that's a product price list also. And so next, add to cart button. I have just used add to cart. ID is there. So button cart. So just use button cart. So these are the elements we added, but maybe this quantity edit box also, if you want identify, you can identify that. So name quantity is there, ID input quantity is there. So if you want, you can identify that also. Quantity. But we are not going beyond that. That's why I didn't write all those things. But if you want, you can just add that also. Quantity edit box. private. So web element 150 edit box. So always remember, first you want to clear, then you type it, right? Clear, then you type it. So always clearing, so important. We will write the method also. Okay. First method, understand, get product name. The product name is this one, right? That's a product name. That means return the product header dot get text. So that will give you the product name. Get product image count. So the collection dot size, if you give, you will get that. Then now see, we are creating a product map. The product map means the metadata I'm going to store in this product map. So get the product metadata, one method we are creating. See, log dot product metadata count is product metadata list dot size, and iterate it. So web element, so product metadata colon the collection. So pmd dot get text, you will get this value. This is the value you will get text. So then you have to split this, right? Split the metadata text based on the this colon. How you can split? Meta text dot split colon. Now what will happen now? This array it will store, right? This brand will store in the first place of this array, and the Apple will store in the second place. Are you getting? Are you clear on this metadata array? First place brand will be there. Second place Apple will be there. So, and then you have to get the meta key. Meta key means this is the key. This is the key and this is the value, right? So how can you get that? This array of 0 dot trim. If you do, you'll get the meta key. If you do array of index 1 dot trim, if you do, you will get a meta value. So then put this meta key and meta value in this map. So how can you insert an entry key and value? By put method. So product map dot put method, meta key and meta value. So this is the where they will ask you an interview question where you have used map in your automation. Just based on the project you are keeping, in that project you can tell that. So we have a this kind of metadata, so with the colons, and we are storing that key and value with this map. You can tell that. So like that, you can just impromptu how to create that. Okay. And then, so all the data, metadata will store there. Same, get product price metadata. Get product price data. Similar. So string price, product price list dot get of 0 dot get text trim. And that's how you're getting a price. And you can get a, so tax price. So this one, a tax price, this one. So that tax price, see how we are getting that tax price. Get of 1, so it will be in the second place of this list. Get text dot trim. So that entire thing I'm storing again. Product map dot put. Actual price is this one, and actual tax price is this one. I'm storing there. So that's, you got the, again, product map, you have a metadata, you have a price, both. So then get product information means you are calling these two methods here. Can you see here? metadata method and price data method. So then return the product map. So see new hash map you're using. Product map equal to new hash map, string and string. Key is a string, value is a string. So this is the, and then you are returning the map. Click on add to cart button. I have added one more. We need to write, right? Public. So void, public void, set quantity, right? Set quantity. Maybe if you want string quantity, how many you want to set, and then so log dot info, you can just put that entering the quantity. So always remember, first you have to clear. So clear the element dot clear, right? So the element is quantity edit box dot clear. Then send the data. So then quantity. That's it. So this is how you need to develop set quantity method. So that's all about pages. And any questions here, Swati and Priya?